Is it time to buy or sell Micron stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Micron. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of June 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, that's StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of June, 2025, our system has ranked Micron as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 7.28. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 25.1% since we first identified Micron as a buy candidate 15 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.67% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 50.22% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 24.4% and 66.16%. In terms of the longer horizon, our analysis for the next 12 months indicates a projected change of negative 17.17%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 61.01% to negative 34.9% over the next year. This would place the future price between $49.87 and $83.27. Our latest daily update from Micron includes the headline, Micron stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. The Micron stock price gained 4.78% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025. It rose from $122.08 to $127.91. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.51%, reaching a low of $124.96 and a high of $128.10. The price has increased in 8 out of the last 10 days and is up by 15.29% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume has also increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 5 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 26 million shares exchanged for approximately $3.36 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $144.07, while the lowest was $61.54. Currently, the price is 11.22% or $16.16 below the 52-week high and 18.81% or $29.63 below the all-time high recorded on the 18th of June, 2024, when the price peaked at $157.54. Micron Technology is generating significant excitement as it approaches its fiscal third-quarter earnings report, expected to show an impressive 156% increase in earnings per share. This surge is largely driven by strong demand for high-bandwidth memory chips, fueled by advancements in artificial intelligence. Recent commentary indicates that Micron has emerged as a leading player in this rapidly expanding market, positioning itself well with cutting-edge technologies like HBM4 and processing in memory. However, the company faces challenges, particularly in its NAND segment, which may dampen earnings momentum. Despite these obstacles, Micron's stock has soared over the past month, climbing from around $61.70 in April to $123.60, with a market capitalization exceeding $138 billion. This remarkable comeback is attracting bullish sentiment among investors, particularly as DRAM pricing shows signs of improvement. In the short term, if Micron can meet or exceed earnings expectations, it may bolster investor confidence, potentially driving the stock even higher. Conversely, Any failure to deliver might lead to profit-taking given its recent rise, resulting in heightened volatility. Long-term prospects remain strong as Micron stands to benefit from ongoing digital transformation trends, strategically positioning itself in AI-driven markets. Analyst forecasts suggest a fair value estimate of $144.65, indicating potential upside. Overall, Micron's upcoming earnings report is poised to significantly influence its stock trajectory in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned a buy grade to MU, accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush rated MU with an underperform grade, also with a hold action. On the same day, April 28, 2025, Wells Fargo provided MU with an equal weight grade, along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025, Citigroup again assigned a buy grade to MU with a hold action. Finally, on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, Barclays rated MU as overweight while also applying a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Micron stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as neutral. However, for return on investment, analysts rate the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Micron. Overall, the chart presents mostly positive signals today. The Micron stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of any downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $121.60 and $102.41. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, April 4th, 2025, and to date, the stock has risen by 97.64%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 55 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 19 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 43 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Micron. Micron finds support from accumulated volume at $123.60. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.14 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.51%. In the past week, the daily average volatility for this stock has been 3.06%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Micron, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 25th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.57. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Micron. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, Micron faces its first support level at $123.60. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Micron from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Sanjay Mehrotra, who bought and sold 7,500 shares or options in the company. From the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, reflected in a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $123.89, reflecting a decrease of 3.14%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 93, further elevating this risk. Notably, a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom identified 54 days ago. Is Micron stock a good buy? Micron exhibits several positive indicators and is situated within a robust upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Thus, we believe it represents a strong opportunity at present levels, with expectations for further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been revised, upgrading the stock status from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, June 25th, we anticipate that Micron will open lower by 92 cents and begin trading at $126.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.